What's good, Black Star Podcast? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Jared. Y'all, you won't believe this. You can't make this shit up. Shout out to KS. You can't make this bullshit up. And you wanna know why? Because there's apparently a story out here nowadays, well, going around from this particular creator about an OF model now wanting her Hymen back. And she said that she's returning to her Mormon roots. Yeah. Let's get into this one. I'm going to let this one go through.
I was an OnlyFans star. Now I want to restore my Hymen, man alive, and return to my Mormon roots. Okay. A Texas OnlyFans star plans to undergo Hymen restoration surgery in a bid to return to her Mormon roots, a decision she claims would make her late husband proud. I'm not doing this to undo my past, but to honor how far I've come. The liar, Holly Jane, 42, told Jam Press of her plan to wind back the clock of her sex life. I had a moment in prayer where I felt God speak to me, saying, "You are not broken. Go and be restored, oh heaven." The 42-year-old mother of three, what are you doing, man, on the OF nasty stuff, who described herself as your favorite next door MILF. Look at the photos too. As I'm doing this, show them the photos. Claims she was kicked out of her church when they found out about her NSFW side hustle. Oh, really? How shocking. The church didn't welcome it? Oh, yeah. Now she hopes to surgically wipe the slate clean, an idea she said came to her during prayer like a divine directive. Oh, she got a divine... Ooh, honey. Look at the photo. Oof. Okay. I had already made peace with God about my job and what I've had to do to put food on the table after my husband died. I love when they throw this caveat, like it's the only way. Her husband passed away. Sad. Horrible situation to find yourself in as a woman. Very, very sad. This was the only way? This was really the only way, the OF content, nasty stuff. I think that maybe there was a different way. However, Texas, she insists that her vaginal rejuvenation op is not meant to shame or judge people who enjoy sex, but about restoring a sense of freedom. It's not about your body, it's about your soul. Living in truth, refusing to hide, and forgiving myself for burdens I was never meant to carry. Okay. All right. Listen, can people change? Sure. Can people grow? Sure. Should you forgive yourself ultimately? Should you do something wrong? Should you ask the forgiveness of God? You should. Should you forgive yourself ultimately? You have to, right? We all make mistakes. Let's be honest. Let's just have a real one-to-one moment, me and you, right? We all do stuff that we wish we didn't do, right? There's moments I sit and I'm like, why did I do that, right? You can look back and you could drive yourself crazy with these realities, right? You could drive yourself crazy. Oh, if I had just not done that, then that wouldn't, and if you're like me, who's a little neurotic, let me just be honest, you do this a lot, right? And it's not healthy, right? You have to forgive yourself for the mistakes you make in life. You do the best with what you know at the time. And then when you know better, you do better, right? That's just the way to go. However, you are not, and this is a message I want to get across to women, you are not going to be able to do a Hymen restoration surgery and restore yourself to what you were before you had sex with I don't know how many people for money, okay? Because you're looking to restore the physical, but really what you're trying to restore is the emotional. This is devastating to women. It breaks you, it ruins you, it wrecks you emotionally. You forget how to just have sex the way you're intended to. You're supposed to be in love with somebody. It's supposed to be your husband. I mean, let's be honest about how this is really supposed to be. It's supposed to have some value to you, particularly as a woman, right? Or it breaks you. It does. Even just a simple one-night stand breaks a woman in a different way. It just does. Oh, no, that's not true. These are, that's the old time. No, it still breaks them. That's why they're on the antidepressants and drinking, and it does break them. So I just want the message to hit home. Yes, you should forgive yourself, but this idea that you are going to restore yourself to the way you were before, it's just not as simple as an operation, because it's not about the physical. It's about what you incurred, the emotional damage, and what you put yourself through, right? Again,
Honestly, I'm going to say this. A lot of these chicks that do that particular type of content, OF content, a lot of them think that it's just for the money. They don't realize they don't realize what they sacrifice. And let me explain it like this. A lot of them are willing to sacrifice their morality. Because that's basically what it is. Their morality. They sacrifice their morality for money. They do. They sacrifice themselves for morality. They don't. They don't think about the consequences that come along with them showing their entire body online. And the sad part is, a lot of them think it's just for the money. It's not. They think that they can go get their hymen restored and it'll take away all the years of abuse that they've taken from different penis. That's not how it works. When you have sex, you create soul ties. Your soul tied to a specific person because you allowed that person to be in your body. Women get conquered in bed. Let's be honest about the situation. That's what happens. So you doing that type of content, allowing different men to be in your bodies, you're doing it for money. You may think you're just doing it for money, but you're also losing a lot more than just yourself. You're losing your dignity. You're losing your morals. You're losing a lot more than just your public image. And on top of that, most guys aren't going to deal with a chick that's done OnlyFans. Damn near every woman online that has an Instagram has a bio link to an OnlyFans account. Damn near every woman. Not all, but damn near. They always have a bio. Or you'll have a random ass fucking you have a random ass account, add you, and then as soon as they have a lock their page private, and they start messaging you and shit and try to get you to damn join that OF. And you wanna know how bad it is? A lot of those chicks go by the same playbook. Oh, let me reach out to a bunch of guys and try to get some sympathy. Try to get some coins. And I called one of them out. I'm like, bro, y'all use the same fucking playbook. All y'all are basic as shit, and y'all over here talking about support me because I got this. Bitch, no, I know what the fuck it is. Stop. You refuse to go get a damn job, and you just want somebody, a poor dumb sucker, a poor dumb bastard. Let's say it like that, a poor dumb bastard to fucking come in and help you out. That ain't how these go. And the sad part is, women like that are, like I said, a dime a dozen. They're damn near everywhere. You could tell who's who. And the funny thing is, they think they gonna get rich from it. They not, but that's fine. Let them keep thinking that. That's less filth in the damn dating market. Anyways, I'll catch you on the flip side. Like, share, subscribe, channel, support the podcast, Spotify.com. See you guys on the flip side. Bye, guys.